Mastering indirect requests. I was hoping you could, would. Hello there. Welcome back to our conversational English series. Today, we're diving deeper into making polite, indirect requests and offers. We'll specifically be looking at how to use the phrase, I was hoping, with, you could, or, you would. Mastering this will make your English conversations smoother and more polite, so let's get started. Before we dive into the full structure of, I was hoping you could, would, it's important to understand the phrase, I was hoping. This is a polite and indirect way to express a desire or make a request. It softens the tone, making the other person more likely to agree. It's particularly useful when you're unsure if the other person will fulfill your request. Example, I was hoping for a sunny day. Now that we know the basics, let's add, you could, to our phrase. The full structure will look like this. I was hoping you could. This form is used to make a polite request that involves the other person doing something. Example, I was hoping you could help me with my homework. Here, the speaker is asking for help, but in a less direct and more courteous way. The next variation we're looking at is, I was hoping you would. This is used when you want to suggest an action that you'd like the other person to take. It's also polite and somewhat hopeful. Example, I was hoping you would come to the party. In this case, the speaker is expressing their wish for the other person to attend a party, but in a less straightforward manner. Although could and would are often used interchangeably in this context, there's a slight difference in connotation. Could is often used for requests that require some effort or action from the other person, while would is often used to express a hope that someone will agree to do something. Remember, both are polite and indirect ways to make requests. And that wraps up our lesson on, I was hoping you could, would. By incorporating these phrases into your conversations, you'll be able to make requests and suggestions more politely and indirectly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases whenever you can. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.